Hey, good morning, guys. It's morning of day 2. Just got up. It is 6:44 in the morning, and yeah, we got a nice early start. We're gonna get some coffee going, have some granola bars, oatmeal, anything we can throw together for a quick, easy breakfast, and then it's back on the water again. But yeah, I will get some coffee in my system so I'm waking up a little better. Thumbs up. Sunrise on morning 2, coming over the inkwell. Alright, so it's 8:30 in the morning, and we are actually on the boat right now. Got a nice early start, and we're paddling in the cool of the shade, so we'll try and make it to camp number 2 before it gets too hot outside. But it feels great out right now. We've got Terry there in the back.
Morning, gang.
And Alex and Sean are just behind him. So, enjoying the morning, heading off to camp number 2. Thumbs up. Okay, so this is the Anvil feature, or the inkwell. We're gonna paddle by it, and you can tell it's really a feature that sticks out. It's on River Left, just before Ruby Ranch. Go. Okay, I just captured some wild turkey coming down on the river here. Very nice. Oh yeah, there's probably a good 30 of them in there. Okay, so we're getting into where the sandstone is going to form on both sides of the river. And from this point on, we're going to continue going into sandstone. It'll get higher and higher on both sides as we continue downriver. But this is sort of the last spot where it gets socked in on the sides and the sandstone starts forming. Okay, so we're right up against the sandstone wall here, out of the hot sun. It's pretty hot already. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. We've passed Ruby Ranch and getting into Labyrinth Canyon. Feels good in the shade. So we're in another shade patch here. This is looking upriver. Just gorgeous. It's really starting to wall up around us now. We have made it to Trinal Cove. It's the canyon there on the right. We're going to stop and take a break there. Check it out. of beer. Very cool.
So, I got View Ranger up.
Okay.
According to the statistics, we traveled for 7 hours, 48 minutes, and 42 seconds. We went 21.9 miles.
Yes.
And we averaged 2.8 miles an hour.
Okay.
21 river miles, dude?
Almost 20, might as well just say 22 river miles. Yeah, 22 miles today. Which we did in about 8 hours.
What's up? That's a record.
It's a record.
I think that's a record.
That's a record.
How you feeling, Terry?
Dude, I am beat, but I am having a fantastic time.
Beautiful. Thumbs up. All right, 5:45. I've got some tamales, and we're gonna get a little fire going in the fire pan. Have some tamales. We'll complement that with some fresh apples. That'll go good for the chili burn. That's looking downriver. We've got about 5 miles to Bow Knot Bend tomorrow, so we're not gonna get up early tomorrow. We're gonna hang out here and probably just hang out in the shade, get out of the hot sun, and then later on about 2 o'clock we're gonna launch, head to Bow Knot Bend. This is where we're hanging out for the night. We just found a nice spot here in the bosque here. We're gonna enjoy the evening with some tamales, apples, and good company. Thumbs up. Pretty steep climbing up that. It's just a little trail that leads you through the forest here. And this is our camp. Sort of stashed in the tamarisk and some old oak trees that are back here.
Sucks having to go so far from firewood.
Dry bags, everything laid out. Okay, so what we got here is a dozen tamales, and we're grilling these up with the husks on them. over a fire pan and a grill. Flame just went out, and we're going to cook these on each side for about 4 minutes. Flip them over, another 4 minutes, and probably repeat the process one more time. So 4 minutes on each side twice. These guys will be done and ready to go. And we have some fresh green apple to go with this to kind of complement for the chili. So should be an epic dinner. Looking forward to it. They smell really good. Thumbs up. Okay, so I have 3 barbecued tamales and a bunch of apple slices for dinner tonight. Night number 2, epic dinner. Can't wait to eat this. I'm super hungry. We paddled 22 miles today. This is a meal well deserved, I think. Thumbs up. Epic meal.
Delicious.
22 miles on the river. Must have tamales and fresh apples.
Couldn't be happier.
Couldn't go wrong. Thumbs up. Sean, you liking that?
Oh yeah.
Barbecue tamales. Caramelized. Oh yeah. Awesome doing 22 miles today. That was pretty sweet.
I think I can say that now that it's done.
Yeah,
I wasn't thinking, man, this is pretty sweet when I was sweating balls at 3:30, but
same here. Same here. Now that I'm sitting down and looking back on it, I'm thinking, I'm glad we pushed as far as we did.
we got a short little paddle tomorrow.
Got a short paddle tomorrow. Epic hike up to Bonot Bend.
And then a short paddle the day after that to Ledge Camp.
And then a short paddle around the Bonot into Ledge Camp the next day. And we can secure our spot